I spent $1,000 on their website to promote my YouTube channel, and you will not believe what YouTube says. If you've been watching my previous videos, you will know that when it comes to growing your YouTube channel, when it comes to promoting your YouTube videos, I decided to try every tool that we have out there, then share the result with you guys. I took on myself the decision to make mistakes while promoting my YouTube channel, so you don't have to make those same mistakes. In some of my previous videos, I shared with you guys some good results that I got while promoting my YouTube channel using Sprizzy.com. But in this video, I'm not going to share with you any good results. This video is not one of the kind because there's no good news that I'm going to give you in this video. Rather, I'm going to tell you what are the things that are going wrong with Sprizzy.com. I spent $1,000 on their website to promote my YouTube channel, and you will not believe what YouTube says about the traffic that I got from Sprizzy.com. That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you some good advice. The ones that work for me, I'm going to help you that way to promote your YouTube videos. I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel. So I suggest you find 10 minutes of your time, sit comfortably, then watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is VK. On this channel, I create videos to educate and inspire people so they can start and grow a successful business online. If you are new here, go down and subscribe to my channel because I will not stop posting videos like this. I will not stop sharing ideas that will help you make more money working from home. And please help me share this video because I want it to reach as many people as possible, because I want to help them avoid the trap that I got into. So if you love your friends, if you love your family members who are trying to grow a YouTube channel, make sure to share this video with them. Now let's dive into the video. I remember I advised you in my two previous videos about Sprizzy that if you don't have time to run YouTube ads on your own, you can use Sprizzy because they are using YouTube advertising to promote your videos. But that doesn't mean that Sprizzy is perfect. It doesn't mean that if you are using Sprizzy to promote your videos, once you submit your videos, once you set up your campaign, you should just go and sit waiting for them to deliver results to your YouTube channel. There are things that may go wrong, and this could happen even if you are running YouTube ads on your own. And those are the things I'm going to cover in this video. But before I talk about those, let's go to Sprizzy.com so I can show you what are the videos that I promoted on Sprizzy.com. Okay, here I am on their website, and you can see I promoted 3 videos. The fourth one, this one, was rejected because they said they were not able to find the right audience for my video, and they didn't promote this one. You will see the ad spent is $0, but the other 3 videos was approved, and you can see the amount that I spent on those videos. $482 on the video titled How Affiliate Marketers Make Money Working From Home, $345 on the video titled How to Make Money Online Without Investment, and $110 on the video titled How to Transfer YouTube Channel to a New Gmail Account. What you will do here, make sure to have these 3 videos in mind, because these are the one I'm going to talk about once we go back to my channel page, and I will tell you what went wrong when I promoted these 3 videos using Sprizzy.com, and I will not forget to tell you what to do to avoid those issues. Okay, I'm now back to my channel page, and on the left side here, you will not be able to see it. But if you look at the left side of your screen, under the menu More from YouTube, you will see Settings. I will click on that, and I come to my channel dashboard, and from here I will click on Analytics. And when I click on that, I have so many things here to look for. Because I'm running ad, because I'm using money to send people to my YouTube channel page, you will see that the views on the channel went up, the watch time also went up. But up here, when I click on the tab that says reach, you will see my impressions also went up because I was running ad and my video was showing to more people. The views also went up 89%. But what I want you to pay attention to is the impressions click-through rate, which went 41% down. It was about 9% and it's now 5.8, which is not giving to the algorithm any good information about my channel. And if you don't know what impressions click-through rate is, this is, let's say, when they show my video thumbnail to 100 people, about 6 of them will click on the video, and that's what we call the impression click-through rate. So it was about 9 out of 100, but now it went down 41%. And this is surely because the targeting was not right. When I leave this page and I click on the engagement tab, you will see the watch time went down 52%. Although you will see on the previous page that my views went up 89%, the watch time went down 52%. And this is the result of the number one problem I'm going to focus on in this video. But if you look at the right side here, you will see the average view duration also went down 75%. It's now 34 seconds for the whole channel, which means that everyone that comes to my page on average watch my videos for 34 seconds. And what information does this send to YouTube? It just tells the algorithm that people don't like my videos, which is not true, because before I ran my ad on Sprizzy.com, the average view duration was up 75%. So that's close to 2 minutes, and now it's 34 seconds. I will click on the individual videos so you can see what went wrong. The first one is here, how affiliate marketers make money working from home. And I will click on the detail. Then I will click on analytics. And here you will see that I got 10,200 views on this video. But the main problem is that the audience retention on this video is just 17 seconds. Can you imagine that? 17 seconds on average. That's the time people spent on this video that I promoted on Sprizzy.com. So this is the number one reason for the average view duration to go down 75%. Now let me show you the video number 2, and I have all the videos right here. This is the one that I just talked about. The average view duration is 17 seconds and I got 10,200 views on that video. The second video, how to make money online with no investment, the average view duration is 20 seconds. And the third video is this one, how to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account in 2020, and the average view duration on that video is 3 minutes and 27 seconds. What makes the big difference here? I'm going to tell you in a minute. You see these two videos, how affiliate marketers make money working from home and how to make money online with no investment, which have an average view duration of 17 and 20 seconds respectively. Let me show you something on the home page. We are now on the home page of my channel, and if I scroll down, you will see that the two videos that I was talking about are among the top performing videos on my channel, but they are the last when it comes to the like to dislike ratio. I have a lot of people who dislike those videos, and the reason is simple. Those Sprizzy showed my videos to are not the right audience for my video. They are not interested in this type of videos, and that's why they are just watching 17 seconds of it and they are disliking the video this much. And if I'm able to say this, it's because before I sent this video to Sprizzy for promotion, I got views on the videos, especially this one, how to make money online with no investment. And you will see that the like to dislike ratio on this video before I sent it to Sprizzy.com was not bad. but now this is what I got back. And the results, the impression click-through rates on my channel went down 41% because they were not showing my videos to the right audience, which now resulted in those viewers just watching a few seconds of my videos. And the consequence is here, the average view duration on my channel is just 34 seconds. Can you imagine spending $1,000 on ads and getting this type of result back? It's painful. But don't get me wrong, I'm not saying here that you will not use Sprizzy to promote your videos, because as you can see it in this third video, how to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account, when I click on the analytics, you will see that on this video, the audience retention, the average view time is 4 minutes, which is 32%. And from those who watched the video, 10% of them watched the video till the end. And you will not believe that I ran this ad with Sprizzy.com too. So what's the lesson here? This is a video in which I show people step by step how to move their YouTube channel to a new Gmail account. So in step 1, I show them what to do. In step 2, this is what you have to do. In step 3, step 4, and so on. So they are forced to watch every step on the way to be able to do what they want to do. But in the other videos, it's not like that. So I'm still saying, if you are not able to run Google Ads on your own, if you are not able to use Google Ads on your own to promote your videos, you can use Sprizzy.com to promote your videos, but make sure that the type of video that you are promoting, the type of video that you are sending to Sprizzy.com for promotion is showing people how to do a specific thing in different steps, which will force them to watch the video till the end. But if that's not the case, you will be getting few engagement or having people watch your video for just a few seconds and they will click off. Like I said before, I posted 2 other videos that I will leave in the description of this video, and when you watch those, you will see exactly what type of videos Sprizzy will be sending your way if you want to use them to promote your videos. There will be a link in the description of this video that if you use it to create your campaign with Sprizzy.com, you will get 150 views for free. So if that's what you want, I suggest you use that link to get 150 views for free on your videos. But again, make sure when you are running your campaign, when your video is live on Sprizzy.com, monitor the video, see how it performs, and if something is going wrong, reach out to them and let them rethink who will be the right audience for your videos. Not being able to promote your videos to the right audience is the main issue that I noticed with Sprizzy.com. So if you can monitor your videos and reach out to them, as soon as you notice that the average view duration is going down, then they can work on this and you will be able to have a campaign that will look like the one that I have on the screen here. 10% of those who watch the video watch it till the end, and the video is 12 minutes long, and the average view duration on the video is 4 minutes. I hope this helped you so you can make an informed decision when trying to promote and grow your YouTube channel. As always, I will keep looking around, and when I see any good tool out there that you can use to promote your YouTube channel, I will come out here and let you know. If you like this video, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. That way, next time I upload a new video here, I will send you a notification. I really appreciate your time. This is VK from Real Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.